everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another video, you guys. How is everybody? Did you guys miss me? Because I miss you guys. And I hope you checked out my Fat Buster video, because that's what your girl was doing all week while she was away from you guys, trying to get herself together. And yeah, I noticed a couple of changes, okay? And I had to bring that to you guys. So, but what we have today is we're going to eat on us some butterfly shrimp, and we got some ribs, okay? We have some ribs and shrimp, as you guys see. And I have just a touch of macaroni, just a touch, okay? I don't want a lot because of the carbs. Because your girl's been carb-free all week, and she trying to keep it as much as she can go with it, okay? Yeah. Let me give you guys a bite. But anyhow, thank you for all the ones that showed me love on my videos. I really appreciate it. And yeah, today is a bad hair day. Bad hair day. But anyhow, you guys, look at these beautiful shrimp. Yes, I caught these over at Kroger's. But anywho, you guys, I know my hair is cut off, but you know, it is what it is. Because the girl just not getting back. And I cooked this myself. Not the shrimp. Now this is my smoothie that you guys saw me make. This is my meal that I'm having one time. Because I have broke it down to where I'm trying to eat one meal a day. But make sure I got all my veggies and everything in. I don't want to promise you guys nothing because I want to succeed just as much as I want to share with you. So yeah, there's no promises in nothing. But it is actually a fat burner. And you will see the difference in your stomach, with your belly, stomach. I know because I did it. And I do notice the difference. I wouldn't bring you nothing that does not work. And you know, it depends on how much weight you want to lose. You can drink it twice a day, 3 times a day. And eat your proteins on the side. You know, it all depends on you. Anywho, let's talk about my birthday. You guys, I had a beautiful time. And then it was Carter's birthday. And then my daughter's. Then my, no, I'm sorry. It was my birthday, then my brother-in-law. When I say mine, I do mean Be Delicious as well. That barbecue sauce is the bomb. Be Delicious as well. It was her birthday. That's my twin for those who don't know. And when I say we had a beautiful weekend, one party after another. Now I know you saw her ribs have the crispiness. You guys, put you some olive oil in them and just let them ribs go in your oven. It puts you in the mind of a fried rib without all the batter. delicious. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. But yeah, one party after another. Mm-hmm. There's nothing like enjoying your family, doing better times rather than hard times or sorrow. Mm. There's nothing like it. Life too short to be bitter all the time. And if you don't love yourself, who gonna love you? I mean, my kids really, we really enjoyed ourselves. To the point my daughter called me and she asked me did I want to go out to dinner with her. I had to turn her down. I was done with parties, eating out. Oh, because we had a beautiful time. All those days. I was starting to miss you guys. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. I don't know, they're offering some of these real. I'm offering y'all some a piece of this real. Mm-mm-mm. Well, there you go. Was it delicious? Mm. And what I did was I baked them off, right? And as I baked them off, I put Famous Dave barbecue packs. If you're familiar with him, you know the little barbecue packs. Double spit, I believe it is. So it has a spice on it. And yeah. And your girl love it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I love it. But girl, yes, God. I'm a gentleman. If you're in Detroit and you never ate at Mr. Paul's Chop House, that's a must-go-to restaurant. Mr. Paul Chop House. Oh my goodness. The scene, the atmosphere. Yes, it's worth it. Mr. Paul Chop House was worth it. Look at that meat. All crispy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I try to eat my meal in the daytime, so I won't have to eat after 6. Excuse me. I ain't gonna work out. Mm-mm-mm. Now this detox, or whatever you want to call it, okay? It's best to eat, drink that on an empty stomach when you first wake up. But as you see, I'm still sipping. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. What's your plan for your birthday this year? I would truly like to know. Are you going to celebrate your birthday as if it's a holiday? You know what? You know, everyone going through the situation. I just feel like treat your birthday like a holiday. Don't cheat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Treat your birthday like a holiday. Mm-hmm. Dang, I ate 2 bombs. But anyhow, we'll get ready to get out of here. Because I think this camera is not right. But we're going to roll with it. Here go you another shrimp. And we're going to go here. And get out of here, because I just wanted to check in and let you guys know that I miss you and I will be on schedule hopefully by Sunday. But meantime, you guys, I enjoy each and every one of you guys. Leave a comment below and let me know, are you going to treat your birthday like a holiday? Or is it just going to be just a birthday for you? Always remember, love yourself, because no one is going to love you more than you. So sending much love from my house to yours. Bye.